travel back in time. Meet Pingali Venkayya from Andhra Pradesh. He spent years designing a flag to unite all the Indians.
A flag must tell our story. Saffron for courage, white for peace, green for growth. Spinning wheel in the center for the hard work.
Now it is July 22nd, 1947. This is just days before India becomes independent. The leaders are meeting in New Delhi to choose the official flag for our country.
Silence everyone. Today is a big day. We must choose our national flag. Pandit Nehru, please show us the design.
Thank you, Mr. President. This flag is a symbol of freedom for all Indians.
Pandit ji, why is there a wheel instead of a spinning wheel?
Great question. This is the Ashoka Chakra. It represents truth forward. India must never stop growing.
Beautiful. A moving wheel is perfect for a moving nation. Mr. President, the flag is the soul of India. And many heroes died holding this flag. Under this flag, we are all equal, no matter our religion, language, or money.
Well said. Let us vote. Everyone in favor of this flag, please stand up. The vote is unanimous. On this day, July 22, 1947, the Tiranga is officially adopted.
And that is how our flag was born. Every year on July 22nd, we celebrate Flag Adoption Day to respect our national identity. Jai Hind!